Peace and love. Welcome back to the Wealth and Wellness channel. Today episode checking on the compost. Started my own compost bin. Gonna throw some more waste in the cardboard, leaves. Thanks to Starbucks, gonna give it that good nitrogen. y'all, man. Composting with Mr. Jones, you know what I'm saying? Recycle the fruits, recycle hair, with eggshells, plant water, rainwater, spring water, you know, greens, dry leaves, stuff like this, grass trimmings, good dirt, coffee grounds, you know, stuff like that. Give it a good spin, give it a good turn, give it a good mix up, and keep going, you know. Once you start one, you start another one. And once you get like 3, and you know what I'm saying, you can start the garden, rinse and repeat, start your rows, get your raised beds, start your seeds in the ground, however you want to do it, you know what I'm saying? Well, it's the Wealth and Wellness Channel episode of Garden with Jones, you know what I'm saying? Garden with Chef Jones Jr., you know what I'm saying? Well, composting with Chef Jones Jr., but the Garden with Chef Jones Jr. is coming real soon because, like I said, I'm almost done with this compost bin, and I'm going to be working on my second one, and at my third one, I'm going to build my raised bed. So stay tuned for the exclusive YouTube feature of Chef Jones Jr. composting and farming with Chef Jones. See y'all in the next video.